In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a blog on Soft. Let's get started by going to Soft Studio and opening up your app. This is where you'll be managing all your content. It's the hub for everything you'll create. Once you have your app open, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on it. This is crucial because it's where you organize all your pages. Having a clear structure here helps keep everything neat and accessible. After that, you'll want to click on the Add Page button. This is your gateway to creating something new. You're now at the point where you can give your blog page a name. It could be anything you like. For example, my first blog post. Naming your page thoughtfully helps with organization and SEO. Next, you need to set the page URL. This could be something like /blog/myfirstpost. Your URL is important for search engines and for people to find your content easily. Now, click on Create Page. You'll see your new page come to life. The next step is adding content blocks. These are the building blocks of your blog. Start with a text block for your main content. Then add an image block for any visuals you want to include. Finally, use a heading block for your titles. This setup ensures your page is visually appealing and easy to read. Now it's time to arrange your content. Place the title at the top. It catches the reader's eye first. Position the image under the title. This makes your page visually engaging. Finally, add your paragraphs below the image. Organizing this way creates a natural flow for your readers. If you want to add more blog posts, you can repeat the steps from clicking Add Page to arranging content. This allows you to build up a series of posts seamlessly. Consistency and formatting helps your blog look professional. Once you have everything set up, look to the top right of your screen and click Publish. This action updates your page and makes it accessible to the world. You will want to copy your live link. This could look like https://yourapp.soft.io. Share this link to let others read your new blog. And just like that, your blog is now live. Congratulations on publishing your blog post. With Soft, it's a straightforward process. Each step you take brings you closer to engaging with your audience. Remember, the more you practice, the smoother it becomes. Keep creating and sharing your voice with the world.